Okay, this review is, well, ring reveal is going to be of the JewelScent Bamboo Rain Aroma Beads. This one is a size 9, and my ring is hiding right there. Okay, so I just get a cup, a regular little plastic cup, open it up, and pour until your ring pops. These are one of the easiest ones to get your ring out of, and I love them. Not to mention, they smell so good. Here we go. Runaway beads. Ooh. I don't have this one, and I don't know that value yet. Wow. Now that is a nice, sparkly, shiny, pretty ring. Code is PP48. I will post the value of the ring after I'm done with the video. That is a gorgeous ring. And yes, the other two are rings from my other products. I love this one. This one is a $22 ring. This one was $31, I think. It's really pretty. I love these two. But I think I love this one the most. Okay, after you're done with that, you just take your cup full of your beads and you pour it back into your cup.